Hi, everybody. Hope everything's going well with you guys. Enjoyed what's left of summer, and we're getting ready to go into fall. And I hope everyone is safe and okay. Today's video, we got. I just wasted as much time as I could with these scammers, the TV scammers, and at the end, I just drove them a little crazy, like I always do. And hopefully, you get some laughs out of it and enjoy it. And here we go.
Hello?
Hi, this is Lisa from Spectrum. Are you paying high bills for your TV, internet, and home phone? Press 1 and get the latest promotions. Or press 9 to take your name off our list.
Number one, right here, one. Number one.
Thank you so much for reaching Sales and Promotion Department. This is William. How are you?
Hello.
Are you an existing customer with Spectrum or looking for a new service?
I have that, the TV service. Yeah, I got that. Excuse me.
This is a promotional call from Spectrum. Spectrum is offering exclusive discounts for our existing customers up to 10 to 40% off on your monthly bill. Are you happy with your monthly bill or is it too high for you?
Let me tell you, I could start off at the grocery store. That's much too high. Then I go to the gasoline the store to get gas. That's much too high. Then the electric is much too high. The heating bill is much. Everything is so high. Yes, it's too high.
Ma'am, how much are you paying right now?
$137 a month plus that's $137.55. It's terrible.
Ma'am, don't worry. I'm happy to load on your monthly bill.
Okay.
TV, ma'am?
I just got one TV, then there's so much money they're charging me.
That's true, ma'am. Don't worry. Verify your service zip code. I will pull up your account and check the variable promotions in your area.
What was the question?
Ma'am, verify your service zip code in your area.
Okay, I need to save money. It's so hard. Eggs used to be 99 cents. Now they're $3.50. A can of ketchup used to be about $1. That's about $3. It's so much money. It's so much money. Yeah, I'm here.
Ma'am, verify your first name.
My first name, Sherry Sells is my name.
Okay, ma'am, I check your account. There is seems you're totally out of promotion. So that's why you're paying a massive amount. But don't worry, there is a 30% off in your profile. And your next bill is $90 for the next 12 months. And you save $40 every month.
Can you get it any cheaper than that?
Okay, ma'am.
If you can make it cheaper than that, I might be able to buy a dozen of eggs next week.
Ma'am, please stay online. I will check the other promotions.
Okay. I hope I can get something cheaper. I would love to get a dozen of eggs. I used my last egg to, yeah, I'm here. I used my last egg yesterday.
Ma'am, there is other promotion profile and which is $75.
Okay, yeah, that's better. Now I can get a dozen eggs and maybe a bigger loaf of bread.
Ma'am, and the best part of this promotion that this price is never gonna up and never gonna down for the next 12 months. And you save $80 for every month. How does this sound to you?
Okay, that's very good, because now I'm already thinking I can get a piece of meat, and I can get a piece of, maybe I can get a package of hot dogs.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Verify your 4-digit security PIN code. It will be on your billing statement.
Well, I come down and I put the television on, and I hit that's called the power button. And I never see no code. Now I get the channels I like. I got the Hallmark channel, the baseball channel, the news channel, all the local channels I get. I didn't see a code on that, sir.
Okay, ma'am, let me transfer this code to my senior supervisor. He will assist you in a better way and give you the better promotions, right?
Oh, okay. Because I don't know about a code. Like I said, I watch the Discovery Channel and the History Channel and HBO. I watch that sometimes. You know.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, please
Yeah.
no line.
Oh yeah, I got that. Yeah, 'cause they don't get any of those. They didn't get no code. I didn't see no code. What does he mean, a code? Code?
And this is Margaret, Senior Supervisor. How are you?
Hello, I know the man said something about a code. Now, I told him when I put the TV on, I never saw no code. I put on the CNN, the Fox News, the Baseball Channel, hockey, all these different channels, Discovery, the Travel Channel, TL. I never saw a code. Excuse me.
Okay, ma'am. Take it easy, take it easy. Actually, he was asking for a 4-digit PIN code. The 4-digit PIN code is actually on the spectrum bill. So, okay, if you don't have it, I will proceed anyways. Just take it easy.
Yeah, I don't have that. My son, Clint Eastwood, he set it up on the automatic payment system for me. He gave the credit card. You know when you give your credit card thing, and he went on the computer and he put the numbers in, and that's it.
He has put your card on that computer, right?
Yes, I gave him my card, and he used my card to do it. Yes.
Okay, madam. So for the month of August, have you paid your monthly bill?
No, not yet. I always wait towards the end because why should I give him the payment in August if August ain't over yet? You know what I mean? I mail it just before the end of August. Why should they get it before August?
Okay, ma'am. Take it easy.
Yeah.
See, I've had to apply a promotion on your account. So I can see my associate lower down your monthly bill to $75.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the promotion is gonna start from the next month, the month of September.
Okay.
And the promotion is gonna remain for the next 12 months. But in order to apply the promotion on your account, your all monthly dues should be cleared. So you have to pay your monthly bill of August so that I can apply the promotion on your account.
Yes, I
I can
understand.
help you,
Okay.
but I can help you this month as well. Instead of paying $137.55 with your regular method, you can only pay $75 with our Spectrum billing team, so that we will clear the month, the August bill from our side and apply the promotion on your account.
Yes.
Are you happy and satisfied with it?
Okay. Yes. I might be able to buy a hamburger too now that I'm saving money.
That's right. You can buy a lot of things. You are still like approximately.
Yeah, you know what? When I have you on the phone, my TV is not on. The volume is off right now, and I got these weird sounds coming from the walls. Can you hear it?
Yes, ma'am. I can tell it.
And well, I don't know what to do with, and it's been all day long, and I don't know where it's coming from.
Yes, ma'am. You can maybe there's some noises outside that you're hearing.
Well, no, I mean, there's no one around, and I thought it was the cable box, and I even unplugged that, but yet the sound still goes and goes. Okay.
Ma'am, take it easy.
I thought I was going crazy, because, do you hear that? You hear this
Yes,
stuff?
I'm here. Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
I don't know what it is. I don't have the radio on, I don't have the TV on, and this has been going on all day.
Isn't there anyone near you, like your son or anyone?
No, no one's around. I had my friend, he was here 2 days ago, Bob Wire, and he came and he fixed my pipe. It was leaking a little, and then that was it. And I've been alone for 2 days, and ever since he left, he did tell me he smelled something really strange in the wall. I didn't know what he was talking about, but now it's getting these weird sounds.
Okay, but that's okay. You just call your son and call him over and tell him the situation. He will surely handle it. I know.
Okay, I hope this sound don't drive me crazy.
So like I say, you I have faced it as well before. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So let's get on the topic again.
Yeah.
I was gonna charge $75
Uh-huh.
to pay the hospital of August
Yeah.
and apply the promotion on your account.
Yes.
So do you have your credit card in handy right now?
Yes, I'll go get it. It's in the other room. Let me go get it. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay, ma'am, take your time.
All right. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. Did you? Oh my God, that noise though. Did you hear it? It's so strange. It's very creepy. I thought I was losing my mind. It's very creepy.
No, ma'am. Yeah, of course I can hear it, and I know there's something going on. You should have called someone and all.
You know what? I hate to say it, but it sounds like one of them. Oh, now it's laughing. It sounds like one of them demon things that they talk about. I don't know.
Maybe it can be, but
You have any idea how to get rid of a demon?
no, ma'am. I actually don't. But just call someone after this. Everything is done.
Okay.
Or anyone and ask them to come over and.
Yeah, there's something wrong here. Okay, I got the card. I hope this thing don't. Anyway, okay, I got the card in front of me.
Yes, ma'am. Verify me the 16-digit number on the card.
Okay, 4716.
4716.
Yeah, 947 00486 3816. Oh my God, this noise, it's driving me crazy.
Ma'am, that's okay. Take it easy. Don't worry. Just call someone after this. So I'm going to repeat the credit card number again. Just verify 4716 9470 0486 381.
I'm getting confused. I'll read it to you again. 471 6947 00 486 3816.
Okay, ma'am. And what's the expiration of the card?
February, the second month, 2023.
0222, right?
Yeah. Oh, the noise stopped for a while. Thank God.
Yes, ma'am. Don't worry. Just take it easy. It will be okay. And what's the three-digit series on the card?
What is that? I don't even know what that is. What would that be?
There will be 3 numbers on the back of the card.
Oh, on the 490. Oh, it started again. 490.
490. And ma'am, what's the name on the card?
It's my name is on it.
Okay, can you spell it for me?
Oh, yeah. Sherry, Cherry.
Yes.
Seltzer, Seltzer.
Okay, is there any middle initial on the card?
Oh, no.
Okay, ma'am. And verify me your service address.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on, yes. Hold on, someone's ringing my bell. Maybe it's the mailman. I don't know. Hold on a minute. I'm sorry. Could you hold on?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh,
Okay, ma'am. Take your time.
okay. Get away from this noise. Yes, I'm Cherry Seltzer. 147
147
Main Street.
Main Street
Yes.
and
Johnson City, New York.
spell it for me.
Johnson, Johnsson.
Johnson City, New York, right?
Yes.
And the address is 137, zip code is 13760.
Yeah, I think so. I'm so confused with this thing. I can't concentrate right.
Yes, ma'am, I know. I'm hearing the voices constantly as well. Okay, the zip code is 13760, right?
No, it's 13790, 147 Main Street.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I got it. So, ma'am, I have everything now. I'm gonna apply the promotion on your account and pay the monthly bill from our side of $75. You will receive a confirmation message in 1 or 2.
Hold on, 1 second. I want to tell you something.
You've been scared. There is no number. Just like you're trying to demonize me, you've been scared. There's no such credit card number. There's nothing for you, scammer. You've been scared. Okay. Anything to say? Demon got your tongue?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. This is Lee from Healthcare Benefits. How are you doing?
Alright.
Good to hear. This call is regarding Medicare benefits. Do you have Medicare Part A and B?
Yeah, I got the A and the B. Yeah, I got it.
That's good. So I'm just making sure that you're receiving all the possible benefits from it. When you go see a doctor or any specialist, how much co-pays do you have to pay there?
It all depends on what they want me. I mean, charge me anywhere from 25 all the way up to $75. I gotta pay the bastards.
Oh, okay. No, we'll try to make sure that we're able to remove down your co-payments, at least from the doctors, so you won't have to pay to your regular primary doctors any co-pays. And besides that, do you have any coverage for your dental work, or you have...
I got nothing. I got nothing. That's another fortune. When I go to the dentist, that's another fortune I gotta pay.
Okay. So you have to pay by yourself for the dental work, right?
Yeah, I gotta pay it all. No one helps me with nothing.
No problem, sir. I will help you out with that. I'll try to make sure that you get good coverage on the dental, so you don't have to pay by your pocket for these things. And for these benefits, I just need to confirm some things from you. Have you ever been in service, like in military or something?
No, they wouldn't take me. They said I had something wrong with me. I don't know what was wrong with me, but they wouldn't take me.
Oh. Okay, that's fine. You don't have to liberate that. Just answer it simply. And besides that, as you don't have the you have never worked in the military, so you won't have the benefits like V or TRICARE, right?
I don't got anything. That's it. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Okay. What's your zip code?
13790.
You said 790?
You know what it is? You got a lot of noise behind you, buddy. Those people with you are making a lot of noise. It's hard to hear you.
Because we have a network here, and we are helping other people, so always there's a crowd here. So what's the zip code again?
What he really means is we have a lot of people robbing people. That's what he really means. All right, back to the dummy.
Why you're yelling?
Because you can't hear me and there's a lot of background noise
recognize from where you're talking to me from.
You can say it slowly, yes, Bill. I don't have problem with that. You're from Johnson City, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And what's your first name?
Terry.
You're again yelling.
My first name is Terry.
I called your name, but why you're yelling?
Because I want to tell you my other name is Chew. Teddy Mackie Chew. That's why I'm yelling. My name is Teddy Mackie Chew. You got it now? You fuck you, you motherfucker. I'm gonna put a curse on you from the whales of hell. Run the water over your head. You're gonna drown tonight when you're in bed. Run the water over your head. You're gonna drown tonight when you're in bed. Basalagulo, 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 basalagulo. You're a fucking scammer, you're a fucking scammer, you're a fucking scammer. I happen to be washing my hand on that one. Yeah, okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Hi, this is Susan. I'm a Medicare healthcare advisor on a recorded line. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you okay.
Well, I am with one of the providers for Medicare Health Center, and based on our records, I showed that you may qualify for information for ways to reduce or even eliminate the cost for healthcare expenses. I have a few questions to go over with you, okay?
Yes?
Do you currently have Medicare Part A and Part B active right now?
Oh, yes, I have that.
Do you make your own healthcare decisions? To say, you are a decision maker?
Yes, that's right.
I love talking to a robot.
Perfect. Only if you don't mind me asking, can you please confirm how old you are?
I'm 72.
Are you receiving any kind of benefits from the military, like VA or TRICARE?
No, I don't have any of that available to me.
Are you receiving any kind of benefits from the military, like VA or TRICARE?
No, I don't get any of those type of things.
All right. So today you can have some additional benefits from Medicare without any out-of-pocket cost. So all the savings and benefits today will be from Medicare.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm going to do now is bring one of our specialists on the line. You may hear some phone system prompts while I'm bringing them online, but just remain on the line, okay?
Just remain on the line, okay, for extra things, right, okay.
Do you have at least 5 minutes to talk with one of the licensed agents?
Okay.
Hold on for 1 second. Hello, good morning. My name is Nancy Brown. I'm one of the health specialists online. How are you doing today?
I'm okay.
All right, glad to hear that. God bless you, ma'am. Well, this call is about Medicare, so I do believe you do have Medicare Part A and B both active, right?
Yeah.
That's wonderful. How old are you? If you don't mind.
72. The lady asked me all these questions 20 seconds ago. She asked me, do I have Medicare, A and the B, how old I am, and then she said, oh, yeah.
Can I say something?
Yeah?
You know, ma'am, I'm a verification officer here. My job is to verify all the details. I will make sure my associate didn't any mistake and you get all the correct information. So that's why I re-verify all the details again. So don't worry about that, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so how old are you?
72.
Perfect. At the blessed age of 72, can I have your date of birth?
1/1/1950.
Great. So we are providing some additional benefits and saving options about Medicare right now without any cost.
Yeah.
I do believe this make your own decisions about Medicare, like you are the decision maker, right?
That's right. I make all my own decisions about my entire life. That's correct.
Wonderful, honey. And correct me if I'm wrong. You are in the state of New York. Your zip code is 13760. Is that correct?
No, it's 13790.
Okay, great. In the state of New York, right?
Yeah.
All right. And are you getting any kind of military plan or veteran discount like VA right here, something like that?
I answered all those questions from the other lady that just asked me, and I said no.
Okay, so I just want to confirm one last thing from your side, how you pronounce your first and last name.
My first name is Terry, Terry. Oh, you want my last name?
Yep.
Yeah, it's Choot.
It's S. I'm sorry, how do you spell your last name?
Choot.
All right, just give me a moment here.
Okay.
How long's your day going so far, by the way?
Okay. Oh, I wanted.
Kicked from this call.
Yeah, I know I've been kicked. I wanted her to say my last name. Shoot. First name Terry. Middle initial M for Mackey. Terry Mackey Chew. But, yeah, she kicked me out. I was waiting for the hammer to drop, but she didn't take the bait.